welcome back to another Technique Tuesday. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning proper exercise technique, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the exercise.
The exercise we will be demonstrating for you will be the Renegade Dumbbell Squat. To perform the Renegade Dumbbell Squat, place 2 steps on the floor, approximately 6 inches in height, and place a dumbbell on the floor between the 2 steps. Stand on the steps and straddle the dumbbell with your feet. Your feet should be shoulder width apart or slightly wider than shoulder width, with your feet pointing straight ahead or externally rotated up to 15 degrees. Flex your hips and knees to squat down with your hips lower than your shoulders and grasp the dumbbell evenly. Be sure to maintain a neutral spine. Keeping your elbows straight, exhale as you stand up. This will be your starting position. Inhale as you lower your body by flexing your hips and knees, slowly and under control until the dumbbell lightly makes contact with the floor, keeping your weight over the middle and heel area of your foot. As you lower, push out with your knees as much as possible to accentuate the activation of your glutes. Be sure to maintain a neutral spine and ensure that your upper back is parallel or higher to your shins throughout the movement. Exhale as you press your feet into the ground, extending your hips and knees, and pushing out with your knees as much as possible to accentuate the activation of your glutes while maintaining a neutral spine. At the completion of the set, squat down slowly and guide the dumbbell back to its resting position. Regarding tempo, there will be 4 numbers which will determine the speed of the movement. The first number is going to be the eccentric portion, or the lowering phase of the movement. The second number is going to be the pause at the bottom of the movement. The third number is going to be the concentric portion, or the lifting phase of the movement. And the fourth number is going to be the pause at the top of the movement. Therefore, a tempo prescription of 5010 will require you to lower the weight for 5 seconds and immediately lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the bottom or top of the movement. A tempo prescription of 3210 will require you to lower the weight for 3 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 2 seconds, and lift the weight for 1 second without resting at the top position. A tempo prescription of 4021 will require you to lower the weight for 4 seconds, lift the weight for 2 seconds without resting at the bottom, and rest for 1 second at the top of the movement before performing the next repetition. A tempo prescription of 2121 will require you to lower the weight for 2 seconds, rest at the bottom position for 1 second, lift the weight for 2 seconds, and rest at the top position for 1 second before performing the next repetition.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the exercise technique videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comments section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comments section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.